So this is the door in that den, and if I had the money I'd replace this door because that's single pane glass, which is not very energy efficient. But for the moment I'm just going to replace those deadbolt and doorknob with a satin nickel guy. Okay, I'm going to do this deadbolt on this door. Gotta grind this out a little bit. Get my Dremel. Alright, now use the Dremel to grind this out with my towel bit. I think that'll be good. Got that deadbolt on there finally. See if it works both ends. Oh, gotta put on the strike plate.